Patients are being moved from Laguna Honda to other skilled nursing facilities. In April, the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services decertified Laguna Honda after inspectors deemed it in a state of substandard care. And now patients are being transferred from the hospital as part of a federally mandated closure plan.
So far, 56 patients have been transferred and 4 have died. Ground Force Amanda Harry talked with leaders and a patient's family about why so many people are calling for the federal government to stop the transfers.
If this trend continues, we're looking at up to 60 people are going to die. So it's a terrifying future that we're looking at right now.
Joseph Urban is one of many concerned family members of Laguna Honda Hospital and Rehabilitation Center patients. His mother-in-law has lived there for 3.5 years, but may have to be transferred. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services decertified the facility in April for substandard care. The agency is set to stop paying for patient care in September.
Not only is it just brutal for the individuals going through the process, but clearly we haven't, and now 4 different people have died from that process.
San Francisco's Department of Public Health is working to get the nursing home recertified by a September 13th deadline. But in the meantime, CMS is requiring the facility to transfer or discharge all of its patients before that date. Executive Director of the nonprofit California Advocates for Nursing Home Reform, Patricia McGinnis, says that doesn't make sense.
So they go in to do a recertification. If there's no residents there, what are they going to recertify?
McGinnis says she isn't surprised to see people dying shortly after the transfer process.
The transfer trauma is a very real phenomenon. It happens all the time. That the increase in morbidity and mortality rates are very, very high.
State Senator Scott Wiener says the transfer plans are rushed and doing more harm than good.
We are asking the federal government to at least be more flexible on the transfers so that the most vulnerable people don't have to be. We need the federal government to listen.
The California Advocates for Nursing Home Reform is holding a town hall next week. Urban started a petition to educate more people on what's happening. Urban says he understands that there are safety violations that need to be fixed, but doing it this way could have dire consequences for people like his mother-in-law.
She is very frail at the moment. We weren't sure how long she was going to last. She's there really at the last months of her life. And to have to go through this type of a situation is just a brutal way to end extraordinary life.
If the transfers continue, some people will be moved to out-of-state facilities. Some were moved to homeless shelters. The city publishes a weekly summary of the closure process. As of July 24th, the facility still has 608 patients. Amanda Harry, Cron 4 News.